What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to get unlimited traffic using TikTok app. You can be surprised how can I get unlimited traffic using TikTok app, but in this video I will show you step by step everything how to get unlimited free traffic using this simple TikTok app. And there is no difficulties, there is no hassles, and anyone can apply this method and get unlimited free traffic from TikTok. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by free traffic using affiliate marketing, online marketing, and I am making big money from various high ticket program, and I get a lot of traffic, and I will show you in this video how I use TikTok for my affiliate marketing. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and you can get, if you are a newbie, you if you don't have any idea about online marketing, then this YouTube channel will help you to get a lot of money making ideas, money making methods inside my YouTube channel. I can say my YouTube channel, my uploading methods far and far better than bulky Warrior Plus method or Warrior Plus software. So guys, check this my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my new videos and upcoming videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you step by step everything how to get unlimited traffic, unlimited free traffic using TikTok. And it's a part 2 video. In the part 1 video I already showed you how to start affiliate marketing using free TikTok, and yesterday I uploaded this video, and if you don't see this video, then check this video and see this video, and I show you 3 steps. That at first you have to create your entry institute account. Step number 2, manage your affiliate link and start promoting using TikTok. And in this video I will show you how to get unlimited traffic from TikTok, and how to set up your bio, how to get video ideas, how to make video, how to use hashtags, and all the secret about TikTok. So guys, let's check it and show step by step everything in this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my next videos and upcoming videos inside my YouTube channel. And you know, here traffic is the key to online success. So if you want to make unlimited traffic, unlimited wire traffic for free, 8 traffic sources here, and you can check in my video description and get it. And you also can follow me in Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn and Twitter by visiting this link. Now, if you want to get unlimited traffic from TikTok, then you have to first install this TikTok app. You can install it from Google Play Store, or you can install it from App Store if you are a Apple user or iOS user. Okay, fine. Then you have to create your account using your cell phone number, or you can create your account using your email number, email address. Okay, fine. Then the main task will start. So at first you have to set up your bio, and you see here it's my TikTok account, and you see my bio, affiliate marketer, YouTube influencer, and check my number on recommendation. When you insert your bio, then you have to introduce yourself, and I recommend you to use a clear profile image that will help you to recognize you, and uh, write the best expertise of you that people can easily recognize about you. You see here, affiliate marketer and YouTube influencer. So if you see my profile bio, then you can easily realize I am an affiliate marketer and a YouTube influencer. Okay, then check my number on recommendation. So if you want to interested in make money online, then you can check my number on recommendation. So take your phone and go TikTok. Okay, now check this edit profile. Now you can see here, but at first I want to say you have to upgrade your account in the pro account or a business account, and time to time you have to upgrade or update your TikTok app for getting all the features. Okay, so make or switch pro account or business account, and you don't need to pay if you switch your account to a pro account or business account. Then update your TikTok app time to time. Okay, fine. Then go here, this bio, and inside this bio you can easily put about yourself. Okay, like me, affiliate marketer and YouTube influencer. Then check my number on recommendation and put your affiliate link. Okay, then you see here website. In this website option you can put your affiliate link. Now add your email address, then you can set your category, then you can add your Instagram account and YouTube account. Okay, so it's the most important fact in bio and website. Inside your bio, let introduce yourself, and inside this website, add website, you can set your affiliate link. When you get your tiny affiliate link or your affiliate link, then you can put your affiliate link here. And the previous video I showed you how to get affiliate link and make it shorten. You can put your affiliate link here. Okay, so the first and most important task, set up a perfect bio. Okay, done. And you always welcome to follow me, follow my TikTok account to get all the latest update, and you can also message directly here, and I will try to best to reply you. And if you face any problem, then you can comment here or you can message my TikTok profile, and inside my video description you get this my TikTok profile here. Now, how to get video ideas? It's another important fact in TikTok. In TikTok for getting unlimited traffic. So I recommend you to make 2 or 3 or 4 or as much as video you can upload per day, but minimum 2 videos per day. Now see this, get the video ideas. I personally use all these video ideas that help me to get view and traffic. And you see here, method video. You can if you know any method, then you can show it in shortly. See one of my videos. What's up, friends?
I will show you 3 simple mobile apps that will help. First of friends, a brand
You
new
see here,
click money making method for anyone. You don't need any previous working skill, you don't need any website, and it's totally free. Let's see. Follow me and check my YouTube to get latest tips and tips about making. At first, create a ClickBank account. Then visit the marketplace and search dog training product. Now create a new YouTube channel. Now search dog training videos and it's the filter search Creative Commons. It's the CC video. Creative Commons means you can use other people's video. Now download this CC video and upload to your YouTube channel. For getting more details, visit my YouTube channel and see these videos.
that's it. So it's a method video. Then you can use PayPal money related video, mobile apps related video, survey videos, motivational quote videos, success quote videos, clickbank videos like this, traffic videos, passive income videos, social media videos. And you can say I don't know anything about it. Just search in YouTube, just invest 10 to 5 to 10 minutes to get a method and show it in shortly. That's it. But try to follow all those ideas that will get the more views to your videos. Now, how to make videos, and you already see one of my videos. You can see my another video here.
What's up friends, I am going to show you top 5 high ticket program to make big money from online. If you want to make big money online, then you have to promote high ticket program, and I am going to show you all those 5 high ticket programs that will help you to make big money per month, per day, per year. Hit the follow button to get latest tips and tricks about making money online, and let's check it. Now see, number 1, Enter Institute. Number 2, the Super Affiliate Network. Number 3, the 6-figure mentors. Number 4, ClickFunnels. And number 5, legendary marketers.
That's it. So you can make 15 to 59 seconds video and you can show in shortly inside your videos. You don't need to see elaborately in your TikTok videos. Just 15 to 59 seconds. Then you can add fun videos. Sometimes you can add fun videos. So guys, that's it. The most viewed video ideas that will help you to get more views if you apply those video ideas. Now, how to use hashtags. If you see one of my
What's up friends,
video,
Raju here.
then it's a mobile app related video, and you see here apps make money, PayPal free money, a mobile app plus PayPal. Then you see here PayPal free money, PayPal method, PayPal money, PayPal me money, make PayPal money, PayPal cash, PayPal giveaway, PayPal it, PayPal earnings. That's it. So you have to use this type of hashtags, and you see here it's the tricks. When you are a 0 to 500 followers, you have to use 1k to 100k hashtags. Then when you achieve this 500 to 1000 subscriber, then use 100k to 900k hashtags. And when you cross this 1000 subscriber or follower, then you can use 1 million to 10 million hashtags. That's it. It's another secret to get success in TikTok marketing. And finally, all the secret about TikTok, and it's simple. Switch pro account or business account and update your TikTok apps time to time. Most of the people don't know it, and for this reason they don't get all the features inside TikTok. So switch your account to pro account or business account, then update your TikTok app time to time. So guys, that's it. If you can follow all these 5 ways, 5 right ways, the proven ways, then you will get unlimited free traffic using TikTok. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates. And don't forget to share this video to your friend and other people. So guys, that's it. So in the part on video, I'll show you all these 3 steps. If you miss this video, then check my YouTube channel and see this part on how to start affiliate marketing using TikTok for free. It's the first part, and I show these 3 steps in this first part, and it's the second part, how to get unlimited traffic using TikTok, and all the ideas, all the secrets inside about TikTok you will get inside this video. So guys, don't forget to like this video. It will encourage me to get more and more helpful content that will help you to make money for you. And if you want to long run your online journey, then you have to go with the right way, otherwise you never make money online. And my YouTube channel will help you to get a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Take action and get results. Bye.